In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Evernote. Highlighting text in Evernote can help you organize your thoughts and make important information stand out, improving your efficiency and productivity. Whether you're using Evernote for work, study, or personal projects, mastering this simple yet effective tool can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a note in the Evernote desktop app. If you're not already familiar with how to access your notes, it's as simple as opening the Evernote application on your computer and navigating through your list of notes until you find the one you would like to work on. Once you have located that particular note, click on it to open it. This will bring up the note in the editing pane on your screen, allowing you to make any adjustments you need. The next step is to select the text you wish to highlight. Take a moment to read through your note and decide which parts are most significant or require further attention. Click at the beginning of the text you want to highlight, then hold down your mouse button or trackpad and drag it across the text. Release when you've reached the end of the desired selection. This action will create a blue or gray overlay, indicating that the text is selected and ready for formatting. Now, let's move on to the fun part, adding the highlight. Direct your attention to the top of the note, where you'll see the formatting toolbar. Here, you'll find various icons that allow you to format your text in different ways. Look for the icon that resembles the tip of a highlighter pen. This is your highlight tool. If you're having trouble identifying it, don't worry. Hover your mouse over the icons, and you'll see tooltips appear that describe each function. Once you've located the highlight icon, go ahead and click it. Instantly, the text that you previously selected will be highlighted with a bright color, usually yellow by default. This gives it a vibrant background that makes the text stand out splendidly from the remainder of your note. It's also a good idea to give yourself a mental note that while yellow is the default highlight color, some applications might allow you to change it if you prefer other colors to signify different themes or types of information. With these steps completed, you've successfully highlighted text in your Evernote note. This is especially useful for zeroing in on important dates, tasks, or informational text that you'll need quick access to later on. Feel free to repeat this process on other sections of your note until you've highlighted everything you need. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use highlighting in Evernote, enhancing the clarity and usefulness of your notes.